morning, team. Run It Up. What's popping? You already know what it is. You know what it is. Hey, if you don't know what we about to do by now, then you late. You late. But hey, good morning. It is officially November. Look at that. It's cold out here. Look at that frost on my Prius. Gee. Yeah, all right, but we about to go run it up. I'm already running late because of something called state taxes. So yeah, here in this state, we have to pay property taxes. It's so lame. So I have a couple vehicles under the business and I had to pay property tax on all those vehicles. Awesome, right? Yeah. We on the way to the store and we're gonna try to swipe a banger. It is 8 o'clock. Actually, it's 8:20. Woo, I'm late again. You see what I'm saying? Bella, wasn't I up early?
Yep, 4 a.m.
You see what I'm saying? So yeah, I was up at 4 a.m. and I'm just now getting out at 8:20. So bad. All right, so we are here at the grocery store. We did not swipe a banger. Let's just remove the B and call it an anger, because this one's gonna make me mad. We swiped a triple $41 batch, and I forgot my mask. $41 batch, and yeah, I don't feel like doing a triple this morning, but you know, like I said, it's late, and that's what you get when it's late. So I'm about to go ahead and crush it, and it is what it is. Let's do this and get that TAT turnaround time. All right, so we back at the store, and honestly, that last batch wasn't so bad because it went up to $66, yo. I'm telling you, the strategies are crazy. Look, $66. Where is the tip raise? Let me show you guys. Look, let me show you guys the tip raise. Look at the change in tips. There go all the change in tips right there. Boom. They raise a tip from $12 to $37. So if you're a part of the private strategies, I'm gonna post a new video probably tonight or tomorrow night explaining exactly what I did to get my tip raised that much. Anyways, we're back at it. We just swiped an $11 batch. Now, that's very low. For 15 items in 6 miles, $11. Now, that's stupid, right? 11 bucks, like that's a waste of time, really, let's be honest. But one of the reasons is, I don't wanna sit around, that wait time. Look, Instacart loves when you spend less time waiting around. This is a prime example of that. So I'm gonna do this $11 batch really quick because it's only 15 items. But the second reason why is because it's only 15 items and it's 6 miles, and I'm hoping for an add-on batch. The possibilities of me getting an add-on are very high, and it can be a really good add-on. So hopefully I get one. If not, it's cool, no sit time, let's get it. So that $11 went up to $12. Woohoo. I'm at Costco gas. And of course the lines are crazy. Yeah, I swiped to 29, 5 miles, 20 something items. Yeah, we're gonna knock that out if I ever can get to the freaking gas pump. Gas low, battery on the phone low, like camera battery low. It's crazy. Yep. Took too long. Took me 30 minutes to shop this, 29 bucks. But the delivery is only 10 minutes away, so guess it's not too bad, but I just didn't like it. Too much produce. The real rookie mistake is I didn't bring my pre-made food. I left it here at the house, so I had to come back to eat it. Hopefully I can get like a 60 or something like that, and 60 or up, that's what I want really. Just to put me over that $200 mark, and then I'll be more comfortable calling it a wrap. That's pretty far. Should we do it? Oh, $50. Oh, we're gonna find the person who took my batch right now. I know who took it. It's only one of the only people that can take it. Right here, here he is. Here he is. Look at him. What's up, bro? Took my batch, bro. He took my delivery only.
What, you tried to swipe it?
Oh yeah. I tried to swipe it. I was filming it, and you took it on camera.
Yeah, I used the automatic swipe.
What did you use? Hey, what did you use?
I used it.
You see, he used the automatic swipe. Hey, good job, bro. Hey, go crush it, bro. Crush it. I'll see you, brother. Even though the new updates that they're trying to do, they're testing stuff out where they changing it from swiping now. I told you guys, man, they're trying to stop us. They're trying to stop us out here, man. But hey, we still gonna run it up regardless. So it sucks if you can't use the automatic swipe right now, but who knows what Instacart's gonna do, if they switch it, if they don't, if they put it back. We don't know. We don't know what they're gonna do. But all I can say is no matter what, you can still run it up. I knew it was him that took my 50, man. I wanted that 50. He got me, he beat me, hey. But last time I beat him on that 108, so it's all good. That's the name of the game. He stole my batch. I just got $25 delivery only. $25. They trying to play VAR out here today. They trying to play me out here. They didn't let me swipe the 50. Well, it's not that they didn't let me. My boy beat me to it. He beat me to it, fair and square. I'm not trying to work all day, but everyone's out here and it's making me want to play the game. It's making me want to play a little harder. All right, so this delivery is 19 minutes away and it'll put us at 165. Let's go, Costco for the save. We just swiped the $52 batch and that's it. We're gonna wrap it up. I got things to do today and I gotta edit this video. You already know we at Costco, let's get it. Light work, let's go. Easy. I finished this in about 15 minutes, light work, let's get it. I think it's gonna be my last one of the day. So let's load it up.